Hey guys, we received this beauteous 3 pieces fluttering solar butterfly garden stakes for test and try. It's moving butterfly decoration with the solar butterflies, easy installation, waterproof outside decor stakes, and the 3 bright colors. So let me just open up one box so I can show it to you. So all 3 boxes have different colors but the same thing. So it is pretty easy for you. You can see like this plastic stake, you can just join with each other, and then this thing will go into the main part, and then this will go into the yard. So I'm just putting it in here. So it's pretty cool, and then quality wise looks fine, and the stakes are really nice, good height, so it can easily go inside it. So installation part is really easy. There is an on and off switch, so you need to remember to get it done like on that switch, and then the solar cells are there to charge this. You see like elastic and the flexible attachment with this butterfly. The butterfly also looks like real and a nice colorful design. So I will show that in the yard as well how it looks and work. And this is 15 inch in the height. The butterfly itself is 3 inches, and there are total 3 pieces in a set. So see, like if I put it in the sun, you have to be very careful. Like first it should be direct sun because it requires the direct sun charging, and once there is a proper full sun on it, it takes some time and then start fluttering. See, like it start fluttering, looks like a real butterfly, the fluttering and going with that time thing. So very nice, the fluttering action, but requires a proper sun charging. Like, so hope you like this as well.